In this video, we will perform facing and turning operations on a cylindrical work part by using this lathe machine. Here we have the emergency stop button and two green buttons, one for the clockwise rotation of the spindle and other for the anti-clockwise rotation of the spindle, and a knob with three positions S, R and the center position. When the knob is at center position, the spindle will not rotate. With the help of this table, we can get different speeds of the spindle by using various combinations of the S and R position of the knob, A and B positions of the lever, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 different positions of the gear handle. Single point cutting tools are used to perform the facing and turning operations. So here we have two types of single point cutting tools, the right hand tool and the left hand tool. This tool is the right hand cutting tool and this tool is the carbide insert tool. These carbide inserts are clamped on tool holders with the help of insert screws, or they can be attached with the help of brazing operation. This cutting tool is the left hand cutting tool, and here we have both the right hand cutting tool and the left hand cutting tool. A right hand cutting tool is used to perform the facing and turning operations when the spindle is rotating into the anti-clockwise direction, or we want to perform turning from right to left. Left hand cutting tool is used to perform facing and turning when the spindle is rotating into the clockwise direction, or we want to perform turning from left to right, because the geometry or the features of the part do not allow to perform turning from right to left. This is our starting raw material, also known as a job, workpiece or the work part. It's a chuck key, and first of all we will clamp the workpiece into the 3-jaw chuck with the help of this chuck key. Now we will hold the cutting tool into the tool post. Now we will press the one green button to start the spindle into the anti-clockwise direction. Also remember, before performing the facing and turning operations, we have to center the cutting tool point. It means the cutting tool point and the tip of the tailstock should be at same height. If the cutting tool point and the tip of the tailstock they are not at same height, the cutting tool point is either above or below the center point, then it will result in the form of a poor surface finish of the part, and also the vibrations will occur during the machining operation. In facing operation, the cutting tool is fed radially into the workpiece, and basically the facing is used to reduce the length of the part. Now we are going to perform the turning operation. In turning operation, the cutting tool is fed linearly parallel to the axis of rotation of the work part, and also the turning is used to reduce the diameter of the work part. So it's our machine part after the completion of facing and turning operation.
ਮੈਂ